Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt sluggish, bloated, or just not your best, even when you think you're eating right and exercising? It's a frustrating feeling, right? Well, today we're going to talk about a vital organ that might be crying out for a little TLC, your liver. Many people don't realize just how hard this powerhouse works for us every single day. We're going to dive into some simple, natural, and effective ways to support your liver's health. Forget those extreme, restrictive detox fads. This is all about sustainable, healthy habits that will help you feel fantastic from the inside out. So, if you're ready to give your liver the love it deserves, you're in the right place. Your liver is like the superhero of your body, performing over 500 essential functions. It filters toxins from your blood, helps digest your food, regulates your hormones, and stores energy. Think of it as your body's main filtration plant, quality control center, and energy warehouse all rolled into one. But in our modern world, it's constantly under assault from processed foods, environmental pollutants, stress, and more. When the liver gets overloaded, it can't do its job efficiently. This can lead to that feeling of fatigue, skin issues, digestive problems, and just a general sense of being unwell. That's why giving it some support isn't just a good idea. It is crucial for your overall health and vitality. It's not about a quick fix, but about creating an environment where your liver can thrive. So, let's get into the good stuff. What can you actually do? The first and most impactful step is focusing on your diet. Let's talk about liver-loving foods. Cruciferous vegetables are your best friends here. Think broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. They contain compounds that help the liver's natural detoxification pathways. Leafy greens like spinach and arugula are also fantastic, packed with chlorophyll that can help neutralize toxins. And don't forget about colorful fruits, especially berries. They are loaded with antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. Adding these to your meals is a simple but powerful first step. Try a spinach and berry smoothie for breakfast, or roasted broccoli and Brussels sprouts with dinner. It's delicious and your liver will thank you. Next up, let's talk about some specific superfoods for liver health. Garlic is a true champion. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Even a small amount can have a big impact. Turmeric is another spice you'll want to get friendly with. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps protect the liver from damage and supports regeneration. Try adding it to curries, soups, or even making a golden milk latte. And we can't forget about citrus fruits like lemons and grapefruit. They're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which boost the production of liver detoxification enzymes. Starting your day with a glass of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice is a classic and effective habit to adopt. Hydration is key, but what you drink matters just as much as how much you drink. Water is non-negotiable. It is the transport system that helps flush toxins out of your body after your liver has processed them. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, maybe more if you're active. But you can also supercharge your hydration with some liver-friendly beverages. Green tea is a fantastic choice. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve liver function. Another great option is dandelion root tea. It's traditionally been used as a liver tonic to help stimulate bile flow, which is essential for digestion and detoxification. Swapping out one of your daily sugary drinks for a cup of green or dandelion tea is a simple upgrade that makes a real difference. Now, let's discuss what to limit or avoid. This part is just as important as what you add in. Highly processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats are the liver's worst enemies. When you eat a diet high in these, the liver has to work overtime. Over time, this can lead to inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver, a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is becoming incredibly common. Think about things like sugary sodas, packaged pastries, fried foods, and processed meats. I know they can be tempting, but try to see them as once-in-a-while foods, not daily staples. Reducing your intake of these will give your liver a much-needed break, allowing it to focus on its other critical jobs. Small changes, like swapping chips for a handful of nuts or soda for sparkling water, can add up to a big benefit for your liver. Beyond diet, your lifestyle plays a huge role. Let's start with exercise. Regular physical activity isn't just for your muscles and heart, it's fantastic for your liver too. Exercise helps reduce stress on the liver, decreases inflammation, and can help prevent the buildup of fat. You don't have to become a marathon runner overnight. Even a brisk 30-minute walk each day can significantly improve your liver health. It gets your blood circulating and helps your body use up fat for energy instead of storing it in the liver. Find something you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, cycling, or yoga. When you enjoy it, you're more likely to stick with it, and consistency is what really counts for long-term liver wellness. Another critical lifestyle factor is stress management. Chronic stress floods your body with the hormone cortisol. High levels of cortisol over long periods can directly impact liver function and contribute to inflammation. Finding healthy ways to unwind is not an indulgence, it's a necessity for your health. This could be through mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, or listening to calming music. Just 10 to 15 minutes of dedicated relaxation time each day can make a world of difference. It helps lower cortisol levels and gives your entire system, including your liver, a chance to rest and repair. Remember, your mental and emotional health are directly connected to your physical health. Taking care of your mind is a powerful way to take care of your liver. And finally, let's not forget the importance of quality sleep. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair and regeneration work. During deep sleep, your body and brain detoxify. If you're consistently skimping on sleep, you're robbing your liver of this critical window for healing. Poor sleep is linked to increased stress on the liver and a higher risk of liver disease. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include turning off screens an hour before bed, taking a warm bath, or reading a book. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most restorative things you can do for your overall health and especially for your hard-working liver. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to naturally supporting your liver health. It's not about a 3-day juice cleanse, but about making smart, sustainable choices every single day. Add in more colorful fruits and vegetables, especially those powerful cruciferous ones. Spice things up with garlic and turmeric. Stay hydrated with water and green tea. Reduce your intake of processed junk. Move your body in a way that you love. Find moments to de-stress and make sleep a top priority. These small, consistent steps will collectively give your liver the support it needs to keep you feeling energetic, clear, and healthy. Your liver does so much for you. It's time to show it some love in return. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to take control of your liver health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wellness content. Let me know in the comments below which of these tips you're going to try first. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.